So good morning. In the fifth chapter, we have learned how to differentiate, how to find the derivative of composite function, logarithmic function, inverse trigonometric functions, exponential functions, and parametric form of equations. In this chapter 6, application of derivatives, we will learn application of derivatives in different branches in mathematics like engineering, science, social, etc. So in this chapter we will study rate of change of quantities, increasing and decreasing functions, third one, tangents and normals, approximations, and maxima and minima. Of a function. So these are the topics we will study in application of derivatives. Let us see first rate of change of quantities. Rate of change of quantities or rate measure. Let y is equal to f of x be a given function, be a function. dy by dx is equal to rate of change of y with respect to x. dy by dx means rate of change of y with respect to x. Suppose here s is the displacement, ds by dt is equal to rate of change of displacement with respect to time t, that is ds by dt is also called the velocity. Next, dv by dt, velocity is denoted by dv, dv by dt means rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So that is called the acceleration, and dv by, so the acceleration. Therefore acceleration a is equal to d by dt of ds by dt. That means dv by dt, where v is equal to ds by dt. So that is d square s by dt square. D square s by dt square is the acceleration. So another, suppose here dA by dt, dA by dt is equal to rate of change of area. Suppose A is equal to area ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, area with respect to t. Next, suppose here dv by dt or dv by dr means what? Rate of change of volume, or dv by dt, rate of change of volume with respect to time. Rate of change of volume with respect to time. So in general, dy by dx means rate of change of the variable y with respect to x. That is the meaning of dy by dx in rate measure. Let us see exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius r when, first question, r is equal to 3 centimeters, second question, r is equal to 4 centimeters. Here given rate of change of area and radius r. Let r be the radius. Question number 1, let r be the radius and a be the area of a circle. Here what we have to find? Find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to, in the first question, A, to find rate of change of area dA by dt when r is equal to, radius is equal to 3 centimeters. That is the first question. So find rate of change of area with respect to radius. You are given, find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to radius. With respect to radius means we have to find dA by dr. So what is area of a circle formula? We have area of circle is equal to pi r square. Differentiate with respect to r. So dA by dr is equal to pi into derivative of r square with respect to r is 2r. So that is 2 pi r. So what we have to find dA by dr when r is equal to 3 centimeters. Therefore here dA by dr when r is equal to 3 centimeters is 2 pi into, substitute r is equal to 3. So that is 6 pi. What are the units? Area. Square centimeters per centimeter. Therefore area of a circle is increasing at the rate of 6 pi square centimeters per centimeter. So this is the first question. Second bit, find dA by dr when r is equal to 3 centimeters. Same method, a is equal to pi r square, dA by dr is equal to 2 pi r. Here we have to find dA by dr when r is equal to 4 centimeters. Just replace r is equal to 3 by 4. So therefore we get 2 pi into 4, so 8 pi square centimeters per centimeter. Therefore area of circle is increasing at the rate of 8 pi square centimeters per centimeters when r is equal to 4 centimeters. That is the conclusion for second question. Right. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 cubic centimeters per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of edge is 12 centimeters? Here given volume, next surface area and length of edge of a cube. Let V be the volume. Question number 2. Let V be the volume, comma, S be the surface area, and X be the, or L be the, X be the edge of a cube. At any time t, at a time t. You are given what? You are given the volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of, volume is increasing, rate of change of volume is given, that is dV by dt is given whenever the time is given in the question. So differentiate with respect to t. Here dV by dt is given, so 8 cubic centimeters per second, 8 centimeter cube per second. What we have to find? So to find rate of change of, how fast is the surface area is increasing. So how fast is the surface area? Means S is the surface area. So to find ds by dt, that means rate of change of surface area with respect to time. So when edge of a cube is 12 centimeters, when edge is equal to, x is equal to 12 centimeters, so find ds by dt. This is the given question. Find ds by dt when x is equal to 12. So here volume and surface area. So what is? We have two formulas. Volume of cube, volume of cube is x cube, and surface area of a cube is S is equal to 6x square, surface area of a cube. So differentiate v with respect to t. dv by dt is given, derivative of x cube is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Here dv by dt value is given 8 is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. So therefore dx by dt is equal to 8 divided by 3x square. Next, surface area ds by dt is equal to 6 into derivative of x square is 2x into derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt. So that is 6 2s are 12x into derivative of x with respect to t. dx by dt is 8 by 3x square. 1x cancel. So 3 1s are 3 4s are. So 8 into 4 32 divided by x. So this is ds by dt. But you have to find ds by dt when x is equal to 12. Therefore ds by dt when x is equal to 12 is 32 divided by x value is 12. So 4 3s are 12, 4 8s are 32, that is 8 by 3. So what are the units? Surface area, square centimeters per second. Therefore surface area is increasing. Therefore surface area of a circle, surface area of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 by 3 square centimeters per second. So this is the conclusion. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeters per second. Find the rate at which the area of a circle is increasing when the radius is 10. Radius of a circle, find the rate at which the area. So radius, area. Let R be the radius and A be the area. So question number 3. Let R be the radius and A be the area of a circle at any time t. Here given what? Given radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeters per second. That means radius, rate of change of radius, dr by dt is given 3 centimeter per second. So that is given. Find the rate at which the area of a circle. So that means here to find rate of change of area dA by dt when radius of a circle is 10 centimeters, when r is equal to 10 centimeters. So this is the given question. So dr by dt is 3 centimeters per second. To find dA by dt when r is equal to 10 centimeters. So what is area of circle formula? So we have area of circle is equal to pi r square. So dA by dt. So dA by dt, differentiate A with respect to t, pi into derivative of r square with respect to t is 2r into dr by dt. So that is 2 pi r into dr by dt is given, that is 3 centimeters. So that is 6 pi r. This is dA by dt. But we need to find dA by dt when r is equal to 10 centimeters. Therefore dA by dt when r is equal to 10 is, so 6 pi into 10. So that is 10 6 are 60 pi. What are the units? Centimeters square per second. Therefore area of a circle is increasing at the rate of at the rate of 60 pi centimeter square per second. So this is third one. Question number 4. an edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeters per second. That means edge of a cube. Let edge of a cube is equal to x. How fast is the volume? Let v be the volume. Volume is increasing. How fast is the volume of the cube is increasing when the edge is 10 centimeters? These are the two different words, edge of a cube and volume of a cube. Let edge of a cube, let x be the edge of a cube. Edge of a cube. And v be the volume at any time t. Here given what? Given an edge of a variable cube is increasing. That means edge of a cube is increasing means dx by dt is given 3 centimeters per second. 3 centimeters per second. Here to find what? Find the how fast is the volume of a cube. Here to find what is the rate of change of volume, that is given. That is so that is we need to find. So to find dv by dt, that is rate of change of volume with respect to time when edge of a cube is 10 centimeters. When edge of a cube is x is equal to 10 centimeters. So here dx by dt is given 3 centimeters, and to find dv by dt when x is equal to 10 centimeters. Here v is what? Volume. What is the volume of cube? Volume of cube. We have volume of cube v is equal to L cube. Here where L is the edge of a cube. Here x is the edge, so volume is x cube. Differentiate v with respect to t. That is the derivative of x cube is 3x square into derivative with respect to t dx by dt. So here given dx by dt is 3, so 3x square into dx by dt is 3, that is 9x square. So that is dv by dt, but we need to find dv by dt when x is equal to 10 centimeters. Therefore dv by dt when x is equal to 10 is 9 into 10 square. So 10 square is 100, 100 into 9, 900. So 900, what are the units? Volume, centimeter cube per second. So therefore your volume is volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 900 cubic centimeters or centimeter cube per second. So this is conclusion. Question number 5. Question number 5. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at the speed of 5 centimeters per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeters, how fast is enclosed area is increasing? A stone is, suppose when stone is dropped on a lake, here circular waves are formed. Circular waves are formed. So this is the formation. So initially radius is equal to this one. After this radius is increasing, radius is increasing. So the question is, a stone is dropped into a lake, waves move in circles at the speed of, that means rate of the move, your waves are increasing at the rate of 5 centimeters per second. That means what? Your radius is increasing at the rate of 5 centimeters per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeters, how fast is the enclosed area? Let R be the radius and enclosed area A be the area of a circle. Question number 5. Let R be the radius and A be the area of a circle at any time t. Here given stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Waves move in the circles at the speed of 5 centimeters. Waves are increasing at the rate of 5 centimeters per second, means radius of a circles are increasing at the rate of 5 centimeters per second. That means radius dr by dt is given 5 centimeters per second. Here to find how fast is the enclosed area increasing. That means you have to find dA by dt. dA by surface area is increasing when radius is 8 centimeters, when r is equal to 8 centimeters. This is the given information, right? Here what is the area of a circle? We have area of a circle is pi r square. Differentiate a with respect to t. dA by dt is equal to pi into derivative of r square is 2r into with respect to t means dr by dt. Here given dr by dt is 5, so 2 pi r into 5, that is 10 pi r. So this is dA by dt, but we need to find dA by dt when r is equal to 8. So dA by dt when r is equal to 8 centimeters, that is 10 pi r value is 8, that is 10 8s are 80 pi. What are the units? Centimeter square per second. So therefore surface area, area of a circle, area is increasing at the rate of 80 pi centimeter square per second. So this is the question number 5. Question number 6. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeters per second. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? Here radius and circumference are the two different words. So let r be the radius, and c be the circumference. Of a circle at any time t. Here given radius of a circle is increasing. Radius is increasing at the rate. That means here given dr by dt is equal to 0.7 centimeter per second. To find rate of increase of the circumference, that means you have to find rate of change of circumference, that is dc by dt value. You have to find dc by dt. What is the circumference of a circle? Formula, we have circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So differentiate c with respect to t, so that is 2 pi into derivative of r with respect to t is dr by dt. So that is 2 pi into dr by dt is given 0.7. So 2 into 0.7 is 1.4 into pi. What are the units? Circumference, centimeter per second. So therefore your circumference is increasing at the rate of 1.4 pi centimeters per second. Question number 7. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeters and y is equal to 6 centimeters, find the rates of change of the perimeter. First question. And B, second bit, the area of the rectangle. Rate of change of perimeter, rate of change of area of the rectangle. Here length x of a rectangle is decreasing and width y is increasing, since length x is increasing and the width y is length x is decreasing and width y is increasing. So that's why you are given length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeters per minute. That means here dx by dt is given minus, because the length x is decreasing at the rate of, decreasing means minus 5 centimeters per minute, 5 centimeter per minute, and width y is increasing, dy by dt is given, width is increasing means dy by dt increasing means positive, that value is 4 centimeters per minute. So this is very important. Since length x is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeters per minute, that means what? If the decreasing means minus sign, increasing means positive sign. Your rate of change of length is decreasing, that's why minus 5 centimeters per minute. Width y is increasing 4 centimeters per minute, that's why take increasing means positive sign, decreasing means negative sign. So this is very important, be careful. Next, find the rate of change of the perimeter. First question, the perimeter P of a rectangle is given by P is equal to 2 times of L into B, 2 into length x plus breadth is or width is y. So 2 times of L into B or 2 times of x plus y, 2 times of x plus y. So 2x plus 2y, that is the perimeter. So you have to find rate of change of perimeter of a rectangle. That means dp by dt is equal to 2 into derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt plus derivative of y with respect to t is dy by dt. So here 2 into dx by dt already we know minus 5 plus dy by dt is 4 is equal to 2 into minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So what is perimeter? Centimeter per minute. So therefore here the rate of change of perimeter is minus 2 centimeter. That means perimeter is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeters per minute. So this is the first one. Next, second one is area of the rectangle. The area capital A of a rectangle is given by A is equal to, what is the formula? Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length is x, breadth is y, x into y. dA by dt is equal to, using product rule, x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt. You are given these two values, x is equal to, also given x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6. X is equal to 8, y is equal to 6. These two also given. Substitute these values. X is 8, dy by dx is minus 5 plus y value is 6, dx by dt, now dy by dx is equal to 4. So this is 4 and dx by dt is minus 5. So 8 4s are 32, plus into minus is minus, 6 5s are 30 is equal to 2. So area centimeter square per minute. So therefore area is increasing. So area is increasing at the rate of 2 square centimeters per minute, and perimeter is decreasing. Minus sign indicates decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeters per minute. So your important point is, since length x is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeters per minute, means we take negative sign. Dx by dt is negative of 5 centimeters per minute, and width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeters per minute. That's why increasing means we take positive plus 4. Decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeters we take negative sign. So that is very, very important. Next, question number 8. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping 9 cubic centimeters of gas per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeters. Here the balloon remains spherical form. Here is being inflated by the pumping 9 cubic centimeters of gas per second. When gas is pumped, the volume of spherical balloon is increasing. So volume of spherical balloon and radius of the spherical balloon. Let R be the radius and V be the volume. Question number 8. Let R be the radius and V be the volume of spherical balloon at any time t. If given a balloon which always remains spherical on inflation, being inflated by pumping gas. When gas is pumping, the volume of a spherical balloon is increasing. That means here rate of change of volume is given 900 cubic centimeters per second. That means dV by dt is given 900 cubic centimeters, centimeter cube per second. So this is given to find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increasing. That means you have to find rate of change of radius of the balloon. So dr by dt when radius is equal to 15, when r is equal to 15 centimeters. So this is the given information. So the rate of change of volume is given 900 cubic centimeters per second. To find the rate of change of radius when r is equal to 15 centimeters. Now, what is the volume of sphere? Volume of sphere, we have volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So dV by dt is equal to, differentiate with respect to t, 4 by 3 pi into derivative of r cube with respect to t. So 3r square into derivative of r with respect to t is dr by dt. Here 3 cancel, that is 4 pi r square into dr by dt. So dV by dt is given 900 into dr by dt. So therefore here dr by dt is equal to 900 divided by 4 pi r square. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 1 carry, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are, that is 225 divided by pi r square. So this is dr by dt, but we need to find dr by dt when r is equal to 15. So dr by dt when r is equal to 15 centimeters, that is 225 divided by pi into r square, 15 into 15. So 15 ones are 15, 15s are 225, 15 ones are 15 ones are, that is 1 by pi. So 1 by pi, what are the units? Radius, centimeter per second. So therefore the radius of the spherical balloon is increasing at the rate of 1 by pi centimeter per second. So this is the conclusion.